Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we're going to do a little David Yurman unboxing. So if you want to see which new jewelry piece I've added to my collection, then please continue to watch. We're going to jump right into this unboxing because I am so excited to see if this piece actually fits. Fingers crossed. I ordered this piece from Bloomingdales, and the first thing that you get is your certificate of authenticity. You also get a polishing cloth and a travel pouch as well. This is what it looks like. And I'll go ahead and open that up. Very soft. I don't know if this is suede or whatnot, but it just says David Yurman on it. And looks like there are two pouches, so you could be able to carry multiple items. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. You get a travel pouch. Here's the beautiful piece. So this is the Bloomingdales box that it came in. So it just says Bloomingdales, and let's go ahead and unbox her. So I've seen other people unbox theirs, and you don't get the David Yurman packaging. Everything is Bloomingdale's. So I was hoping that I received the David Yurman boxing, but you don't. Oh, wow. When I went to open it, it completely fell out. So I grabbed it and put it back in its box. It was just wiggling around instead of like being tucked in the little pocket. So this is what she looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. This is the David Yurman cable buckle bracelet with diamonds. So you can see the diamonds are here and also here. And then this is the little buckle detail, and it has that signature David Yurman cable rope around here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I really like this piece. So I have been building my sterling silver stack, and I wanted a piece that goes with it. So I'm completely bare right now because I just want it to be all about this, but then I am going to put on my other two pieces and show you what it looks like. So let's go into all of the details. First, we'll talk about the materials on this piece. So this is, like I said, sterling silver with diamonds. The width of this is 5 millimeters, so I like the thickness of it. It's not too thin. I really like the sizing on it, and that's one of the things I was contemplating about which size to get, but the 5 millimeters is the one that comes with the diamonds on the sterling silver piece, so I'm definitely happy that I got this. As far as pricing goes, this piece is $5.95, and the weight of it, I feel as though it's worth it, especially since it has diamonds on it. Now, this is available in 5 different sizes. It comes in extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. I got this piece in a medium. We'll go over sizing and all that kind of stuff in just a second. The closure on this is a hook clasp, so you have to do like this in order to take it off and to put it back in. It's fairly tight, and because it's a new bracelet, putting it back in. This looks, I don't have a big wrist, but this looks very small. So we're going to try this on and see if it works. Let's go into sizing and all that kind of great stuff. I will put the David Yurman size chart on the screen and tell you all about the sizing that I went with. If you don't have a soft measuring tape, I would highly recommend getting one, especially if you're getting into jewelry, just so that way you know what size your wrist is. My wrist is a 6.5. And on the David Yurman website, it said if you are between sizes to size up. However, I didn't size up. The range for the medium was 6 to 6.5. I'm a 6.5, so I went with the medium. But looking at this piece, I'm starting to think that I should have gone up. And I went with that because I don't like my bracelets or bangles, anything like falling down. I want them to be on my wrist. So let's go ahead and try her on and see if I order the right size or not. So I think I'm gonna have to get this. Yeah, see, it just, in order for me to get it on my wrist, I had to open it up some. So I think I am going to exchange this for, let's see, after we put it on, I think I'm going to exchange it for a bigger size. However, I do like how it fits on my wrist. I just worry about the wear and tear of opening it up and whether or not I would stretch it too much. I have no clue. If you own this piece or anything similar to this, please comment down below and let me know how yours has worn over time with getting in and out of it. So yeah, that's what she looks like on. So if you have a 6.5 wrist, this is what the medium would look like on your wrist. So that's what that looks like. And I do truly love it. So now let's pair it with the other jewelry pieces that I have. I think you guys have seen me unbox all of these pieces. So the first thing that I'm going to put on is my Tiffany & Co. Infinity bangle. And so my thought was that they would pair right next to one another. And I also have the Tiffany Return to Tiffany cable bracelet, I think is what this is called. And so I'll add that on as well. So now I have all three pieces on and this is what it is looking like. And I love how this looks. I'm so torn about whether or not I should size up in this. I do not know, but I absolutely love how the three pieces stack. I think for my stack, I want either 4 or 5 pieces. So the only thing that is missing is if you watch my luxury wish list, then you know that I want a Costco diamond tennis bracelet. So that's the truly only piece that I think that I'm missing. And I would probably have that go right here. So that way you have something sterling silver with diamonds, solid sterling silver, then diamonds, and then sterling silver again. So, and because the Tiffany piece comes down a little bit more, I think I need something right here. Let me know your thoughts if you think I should size up on this bracelet. I don't know. Like I said before, I'm really torn about it, but if you've been eyeing this piece, I just wanted to come on and give a quick review because I was looking for people who had reviews on this specific piece and I wanted to know about sizing and I couldn't find the information that I need and I don't have a David Yurman that's near me. So I took my chances and I ordered it from Bloomingdales. And the reason why I ordered from Bloomingdales specifically is because Bloomingdales was giving 5 times the points on this purchase if you're a loyalist, and become a loyalist if you are not one. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you a thing, but you get free shipping and they're always giving like cash back incentives or gift cards. I love Bloomingdales with a passion. But in addition, Rakuten was giving 15% back on Bloomingdale purchases. And I'll show you guys that I got $90-something back, cash back on this purchase. So even though it was $595, I got almost $100 back and then points towards gifts for Bloomingdales. So I think it was a steal and I'm so happy to have her as part of my collection. I'm going to decide about the sizing here soon and keep you guys updated on that. So yeah, that wraps up today's video. I think I addressed all the questions that I personally had just about materials, sizing, all that kind of great stuff. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Come back often to my channel. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. If you guys haven't checked out my latest video, I will have it linked up here. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.